So I've just arrived, had lunch and waited for the room to get ready. Then I walked down this path, keep going this way, and that's where the ocean is, and the pool, and the restaurant. And this is me, right here, 104. After traveling, bouncing around, long shuttles, all of that sort of thing. This is my little landing spot for 3 nights. And it's unusual because I open the door and it's cool. Most of the time, people are really, really conservative with their air conditioning. And always, one place had a sign up about how much you'll be fined if you leave it on when you're not in the room. So this is my room. Wow, nice. Comfy bed, king size, desk and a chair, big TV. I haven't watched TV since I left home. I watched the movie on my laptop. And so for those of you like Marnie, who's a tub person, there's the big bathroom. Turn these lights on. It's really nice. It's one of the nicest places I've ever stayed. Clean, modern, fresh. Oh, yeah, and there's that thing. It looks like it's actually big enough to fit my body. So I guess now I'm going to have to go out hunting for some bath salts. So this is where I'm at. So my plan now is I'll be here for 3 nights, tonight, tomorrow, and the next night. Go back to Ubud on Friday. And then on Monday morning, I go to Sanur. I fly to Bali on Tuesday. Back to the U.S. on Wednesday. So here's the occupant of this room. Hello, everybody. So it's been an awesome trip. It's gone quickly, and at the same time, I really practice just being still and present and making the most of each moment. And so I think part of that makes it feel like it's been months instead of like basically 3 weeks. So ciao from my little oasis here in Chandidasa on the east coast of Bali. Bye-bye.